Hello kids, before you start doing your rainforest activity, make sure to open first rainforest morning sounds on YouTube. Okay, so you can see now on my screen it's already open. Then after that, don't forget to get also the table of your sounds and arrangement for rainforest. Okay, so now I'm using my phone recording this video, so make sure that you have your mobile phone to record your video for this activity. So once you're ready, yep, so just get your phone while this YouTube is open and then play the sound. Once you start playing the sound, get your table with all the sounds and start recording the sounds together with this rainforest sound. Let's start. So now it's playing. We need to start. Okay, so that's the sound of my rainforest. That's my arrangement. So you do yours. You can copy, some sounds that I just, did. It's okay. So just don't forget, you can take a video or record the sound. Just make sure that both your sound and the rainforest morning sound on YouTube, they are both audible. Okay? Thank you.